NFT has been now the cultural phenomenon throughout the 2021, and it will gonna be continuing in the years to come. So what is NFT? NFT explained in detail in this video. As I mentioned in the previous blog, that this video will be the must watch. So I'm bringing you everything about NFT, how to make an NFT, what is NFT, how you can create an art and sell via NFT, what is crypto, and how you can earn money literally with NFTs. If you already know me, I am author on travel, Shivi Goel, the spirited blogger of yours. Namaste from my side, love and light to all of you. And if you don't know me, then you need to subscribe to the channel right away so that you don't miss what I produce next for you. You must be looking to the internet throughout, and you have load of data on the internet, and great scholarly articles are being published on NFT and cryptocurrency. And you see that, Nyan's getting $1 million to just sell a GIF about cat. Then the founder of Twitter actually tweeted or sold the NFT of an autographed tweet of his own. And there are ample examples, the digital art of Mona Lisa has been sold for like $1 million. Now the new NFT museum has been opened in the Seattle, USA. What it is, why there's so much of buzz, and why everyone is just running to NFT and crypto. Yes, it is in. But before I start with the video, I should tell you that it comes with its own pros and cons, and there's a fees exactly involved with this. I'm gonna tell you everything in detail. Stay tuned till the video and please don't skip. Else, if you want to see a particular part of it, there are chapters given in the video. You can hop on to those chapters as well. NFT explained in simple terms. Alright, so what is NFT? NFT is a non-fungible token. So that's the full form of NFT, non-fungible token. Starting with the basics, before I would like to tell you the definition, the proper definition of NFT. So NFT is a unique unit of data employing technology that allows digital content from videos to songs to images to paintings to artwork and a lot more. They became logged and authenticated via and on the cryptocurrency blockchains, and primarily that's Ethereum. Okay, that definition might have been really confusing and you must be thinking, oh god, what is it? It's so technical and it's so difficult. I cannot go with NFT and all. Let me make it super simple for you. NFT is making your own art easily and selling it as a digital content. Right? It's a non-fungible token, which is more or less something which cannot be replaced or interchangeable, and it has its unique code and uniqueness. You own the copyright of that particular art or digital content what you are creating. For example, Bitcoin is fungible, so you trade one Bitcoin for another and you get the same thing in return as a Bitcoin. For example, you have a painting, as a non-fungible item, and it goes to the one who buys it as a non-fungible token. It will be the original to the first seller, as it can't be replaced or changed. Alright. Remember that there can be no second-hand NFT in the market. Also, no matter how many buyers you have, via. So you sell it to someone, then the another sold it for 102 and the another for 150. So no matter how many buyers your art is having, but the original copyright and the first-hand NFT will be owned by you. You can actually technically sell any digital file on NFT, but if you're looking to a marketplace and an easy minting tools to sell the NFT, then there's a limit to the files that actually the formats that the NFT support. Into the ownership of an NFT, right? So the ownership of the NFT can be transferred in exchange for digital currencies only without involving third parties. Okay. However, for this to happen, the interested buyers and the sellers must perform this particular task on that platform wherein you are selling it. The platforms that are specially designed to buy, sell, or maybe create or list your NFT are called as marketplaces. So you may find this term marketplaces on and off when you read about NFT. So that is called as marketplaces. What are the probable examples of NFT? Now there are many. For example, a unique digital art, a painting that you're creating, or you're creating a GIF, okay, which is unique in its own way, or an essay. Yes, an essay which is copyright. So you can sell an essay also on NFT. Then a digital collectible item, or a tweet, right? Or a domain name, what you have created, or a music piece. So before I jump to tell you on how you can create an NFT and what are the marketplaces and what is the procedure in the process, let me help you with certain FAQs. First of all, like few I've already answered. So how do I create an NFT art? So you need to simply choose or upload the content image or a style image, and you click and you create on that particular platform. It's all what you do, and then the AI will gonna recreate the content image of that particular platform with your chosen style. That's simply how you can create your NFT art, because the tools are AI powered and then helps you to create that way. Okay. Does it cost money to use any kind of platform? So you can use the multiple platforms which are available to create and sell your NFT, and everybody has their own guidelines. So I would recommend that you need to read the guidelines and the terms and conditions before you use any marketplace. For example, Night Cafe, OpenSea, and there are many others I'm gonna tell you, or all the links are in the description, so you can go and check. Okay. Do I own the artwork I create? Yes, I answered it already. As long as you own and you have the permission to use it, the original assets and the copyright and your creations belongs to you. If you have more questions on NFT, you can comment down below and I'll be able to help you more with the process or anything you would like to ask about NFT. Maybe like I'm thinking to create a step-by-step process how to do it so that it's more easy, because it's new for a lot of people. Step 1, you need to create a piece of art, beautiful piece of art. So now this can be anything which can be turned into a non-fungible token, and the examples we've already discussed. So it can be an online game, a clip, a painting, a digital art, an example, and make sure that it shall fit in the digital format. So currently PNG is acceptable. So if it is an image, then PNG is acceptable right now. Correct. Step 2, you need to have a crypto wallet and you need to add some crypto into it. All right. So I might probably make a small quick video on how you can do it. For now, the second step will be you need to create a crypto wallet and you need to add some of the cryptos into it. Step 3 is you need to pick a platform to sell your NFT. So as we are talking about the platforms which are available, I am giving the links in the description as well, and you can use them, understand them. If you have any questions, come back to this video, comment, I'm gonna help you with that. Okay. This will be the most involved step, because you need to first pick up a platform where you will gonna sell your NFT. This can be a little tricky choice initially, because there's a lot of platforms now coming up, and understanding their own terms and conditions and guidelines become a little tough job, right? So, and there are certain different charges and fees also, as I just mentioned before. So you can check that particular section of the video, go back and come back to this section. There can be different terms and conditions, and you may even need to specialize in different types of NFTs and learn more about them to sell your NFT. Okay. To start with, you can just create a simple piece of art and you can add some crypto wallet, and then you come and pick up a platform to sell it. So that's the 3 easy steps which we spoke about. Now, on these platforms, they can also differ in the blockchains to place your NFT on, which can affect security and usability of different people. So practically all marketplaces will offer Ethereum first and the foremost, as I mentioned, though you need to take care to not to confuse with the Ethereum, the blockchain, with its associated cryptocurrency Ether. Before will be minting your NFT. Now, what is minting your NFT? Assuming that you have picked up the platform and the blockchain and you have good little bucks or cryptos in your wallet, now you need to think the best for your NFT. So it's time to upload your NFT to your wallet and get ready to sell it to an open digital world out here, right? So the wallet you're using may change depending on the platform you pick. Okay. Uploading an NFT to the blockchain is called as minting. So when you upload an NFT to a platform to sell it, it's called as minting. It's pretty simple. So because I'm elaborating in detail, it might be a little confusing for you, but don't get confused. Pause, listen, hang in there, understand, go to the links which I'm giving in the description, and you will get a heck of it. Okay. Now, for example, Rarible, Night Cafe, OpenSea, they have roughly the same process everywhere, and it is quite easy to use, right? Following the instructions on your NFT's marketplace website is very important. They give you all the instructions, and you will gonna upload an NFT into your wallet and add the details like the description and the number and the money and etc in the others. Okay, and that's pretty much easy. Now you'll also see there's a lot of things you can add on your NFT to make it a little more attractive. As we make our advertisements to sell it out, or you're selling a product, so it's the same way, like adding the levels, and the levels part of it's a logged, so until it is being purchased. So one person is being, for example, somebody bought your NFT, so that particular treasure is being unlocked, and all said and done. Now it's time to selling an NFT. Doing it is very simple as just hitting the button sell and the NFT is being sold. So in practically all the cases, you have few options on how to sell and how you want to sell your NFT, and they usually fall into the 3 categories: fixed price, then timed auction, or unlimited auction. From here, the process runs pretty much simple and automatically. You don't have to do anything then. The buyers pays, and when they're supposed to pay for your NFT plus some fees, the creator gets the money minus some fees which is being deducted, and the NFT changes the hands. The buyer gets a cool little collectible what you have offered to them, and you are the seller and gets to start to your crypto fortune. Let me tell you something about the hidden cost, maybe, or particularly the cost which is involved in the NFT. Now, a lot of platforms have been, the marketplaces have been created following the craze of the cryptos and NFT. It's still a new thing, not that popular, but yes, it is a craze. So before doing anything, it's a disclaimer, guys, anything on cryptos and NFTs and your money involved into it, please make sure that you're aware and vigilant. If you don't know anything, or if you don't understand anything, go on internet, or maybe you can come back to the video. I can help you out. However, before trying to get a piece of the growing market of NFT, you should know that there's something which is called as gas fee. Okay. Now, what is a gas fee? Now, this gas fee is a sum which is required to mint the NFT via a blockchain. Okay, so that is the gas fee. So make sure to check this gas fee which they call. Now, if you are a creator and you want to create an art on an NFT via blockchain, you want to sell it, there are actually 2 types of costs that are involved, right? So one is the deployment, and the second is the minting cost. When you create a collection, you actually deploy a smart contract, okay, a digital contract, which costs higher in Ethereum and can go up to $100 to $500. The same charge in the Matic can be 3 to 4. That's again a platform, which is a one-time cost. Now, after the deployment, what happens? You have to put the item for sale, which is called as minting, right? So this is the fees. Now in Matic, it is minimum as 7 paisa. In Ethereum, it is 40 to 50, which is just paid once. Okay, so this is what you need to understand the cost, all right? Moreover, there are charges on the sales of the collectibles also. Now, for example, you must be knowing about WazirX. So they charge a 5% fee to the seller on selling an NFT. Similarly, NFTically, another platform or an application, charges a fee of 1.5% on sales occurring on the artist's own store, and a 2.5% fee for sales on the NFTically marketplace. So this differs from marketplace to marketplace. Again, I'm just giving you a few examples of these marketplaces and the applications wherein you can use the NFT and sell it, but make sure that you read the guidelines about the hidden cost and what are the costs being involved. Okay, so I hope a little bit the concept of NFT is clear to you. What all you can sell, how you can create, what are the platforms, what are the hidden costs involved with the NFTs. Hope this video is helpful to you, and you can actually try it out, and you can come back to the video and I'm gonna help you if you have any questions, and comment down below. Following up this video is the another one wherein I would be telling you what all marketplaces are currently available and how they charge you, what is the processes, and how you can sell the NFTs on those platforms and marketplaces. All right, so it's all about knowledge, learning, knowing the right thing, right information, sharing it as much as you can, spreading the information in a right way, and this channel is all about that. Thank you so much for being with me, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you need to hop on to the books of mine, there's a link in the description. There's some affiliate links as well if you want to buy some notebooks, stationeries, some skincare products, and a lot more, and a travel gear and accessories. The link is in the description. You can just hop in and show some support, because that helps me to fund this channel. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Keep shining and smiling. Namaste.